My name is Monica Ibacache. I live in New York City. I'm the executive director of Beyond Organic Design. My project is a Permaculture for All initiative. One of the things that I've become really aware of in New York City in this time of climate emergency is what I feel is a lack of a preparedness among children and youth. I'm motivated and moved to act with it when I ask myself the question, if children are to inherit the earth, are they ready? And the answer is no. My work is to prepare them for that. One of the things that I think is really important is for a whole systems perspective, meaning that we're looking at the big picture thing and not looking at the siloing of things. When we're trying to figure out how to solve a problem, oftentimes we get very narrow in our vision. And one of the problems with becoming narrow or siloed in the factors that you're looking at when you're looking at a problem is that there can be unintended consequences. So when you have a whole systems perspective, when you're looking at the big picture of things, it's a little bit easier when you're pulled back to maybe anticipate what could go wrong. And I think that's a powerful lens through which we can look at how to solve what's happening now with climate emergency. And I find that children are natural whole system thinkers, and they understand that we can't solve a problem using the same thinking that got us here. It's time for something different. So my idea is in teaching them permaculture design, which is a philosophy and design science, and it mimics how nature designs itself. So I've started, we're doing the first ever permaculture design course curriculum is being taught right now in my high school in Queens, New York. And I've got 60 students. And we are we're teaching the concepts of permaculture design, but then we're applying them in our community. And we are designing gardens and growing food and looking at what urban sustainability looks like. My goal isn't to create farmers. I just don't think that my 60 students in Queens are all going to become farmers. But my hope is that they will become conscious, aware eco-citizens that can look at the problems that we're facing and have an idea what the solutions are, and then possibly connect them to the policies that will be needed to put those solutions in place. We can develop solutions that are good for us and nature. It's a win-win for both.